hand down there just in case. Yeah, you can put my head on the floor. Vera, who is that? Who is that? Yeah. Jack's home.
Say,
Jack.
come on, baby.
I'll hold him, Jack. I'll hold him, Jack, Dad.
Okay.
I'll hold him, Jack, Ben. I'll hold him.
You're holding him? You're doing such a good job.
Hold him, Jack.
Love you, Jack.
Daddy. I'll hold him.
Oh, look at his face.
Is he gonna cry?
He might cry. You'll have to say, what do you say to Jack?
Say, Jack. I'll hold him.
You're holding him. Good job.
I'll hold Ben. I'll hold him, Mom.
Yeah, you're holding him. You're doing such a good job.
Give him a kiss. Give Jack a kiss.
Oh, that's so nice. Is he kicking? Is he kicking his feet? That's funny. He likes to kick his feet, huh? That's funny. Look at him kicking his feet. Uh-oh. What do you say? You say, it's okay, Jack. Look at, you gotta watch what you're doing.
Hold on to him.
Watch what you're doing. Uh-oh. Hey. No, quit staring at me. Vera. Oh, look, watch what you're doing.
You all done?
Okay, bye-bye, Jack. Love you. Good job. Good job.